In last week's thrilling episode, you would have seen us at the top of Balach and we left you with this cliffhanger. This is the lovely Loch Carron, and you wouldn't believe it was half an hour after we basically drove down the 650 metres from Balach. Scotland gives you 5 seasons in one day, even though there's only 4. That's what you call value for money. Get yourself to Scotland. It's stunning. I think we'll follow the rainbow, see where it takes us. So this evening's park up is the Kintail pit stop. And it has to have one of the best views in Scotland. Well, certainly in this area. Scotland's just stunning. Good morning. This is Eilean Donnan Castle. We're going to have a wee wander round. We have some lovely drone shots for you, and some photographs to show you as well. Go see what there is to see. So the castle is on Loch Dewey in the Highlands. It's certainly worth a visit. It's £12 to go in. It's a beautiful day here. Lots of people around. So there's a visitor centre where you can get some Highland scran, which translates into Highland food. Highland scran, which is closed today. And you've got the ticket office, coffee shop and gift shop. Let's take a wee wander through the gift shop. Let's check out the admission prices. Now, there's a legend associated with Eilean Donnan Castle, and that is the clan chief is told that if he fed his son from the skull of an animal, he would inherit superpowers. So when the boy was born, the clan chief actually fed him from the skull of a bird, his first drink. And the boy did indeed achieve superpowers. He could talk to the birds. So one day his father asked him what the birds had told him, and he says, "Father, you will serve me in this castle." And the clan chief was outraged and cast his boy out, sent him on his way, never to see him again, or so he thought. So the boy wandered far and wide through different kingdoms and met this king that had a huge problem with birds, messing up his castle and flying and squawking all day long. The boy offered him a solution. He said he would go talk to the birds. So when he returned, he told the king of that land that basically the birds were angry because their woods were being cut down. So the king immediately ordered the woodcutters to stop, and therefore the birds returned to the woodland. Now this king was overjoyed with this and rewarded the young man with gold and all the riches he could desire and a ship. So the young man returned to Eilean Donnan Castle, a very, very wealthy man and much older by this time, and pulled up, and the clan chief welcomed him in to have some food. When the clan chief served the young man then told the clan chief that he was indeed his son, and the legend had came true, that his father would serve him at the table. Rather than being outraged, the father was delighted to see his son, and very happy to have him back home. Isn't that a nice wee legend? After leaving Eilean Donnan Castle, we drove up through Loch Ness to Inverness, grabbed some supplies and got ourselves restocked, and this is Portgordon. The road to Portgordon we left through Nairn, headed along the road, I think it's A96, through Elgin, over to Spabey, and then right along the coast road to Portgordon, where we had heard there was a possibility of sighting some seals. On the first day I was very chuffed to actually photograph these two. They were quite a wee bit out, and I thought, oh, well, that's us, nailed it. Until the next morning, when we went to the beach, and we saw these guys. There's about 40 or 50 of them on the beach, just lying there. And they're very inquisitive. They do like to keep one eye on you, just in case you make a loud noise or sound. The idea is to stay 20 metres away from them, which we could do easily with the lens I had. So yeah, it was fascinating. Just we sat and watched them for about an hour.
Huh?
Hell yeah, that's it, that's it, oh yeah. Right, I'm off. More fish and chips, don't forget the iron brew. Wait me, Davey, I'll give you a flipper. What? I'm a late, what did I miss? I'm a late, who's gonna fish and chips?